Yo, what's up everyone? It's Farmhouse Off It, and we're back again with another video. Today, we're diving deep into something truly next level, the Gemini 2.0. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, we're talking about a complete game changer. Imagine a world where your tech intuitively understands your needs. That's the promise of Gemini 2.0. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack 16 insane features. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the heart of Gemini 2.0 - its revolutionary AI engine. This isn't your typical run-of-the-mill AI. This thing is next-level intelligent. We're talking about a system that learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and even predicts your next move before you do. Imagine a world where your device already knows what you're looking for before you even start typing. That's the power of Gemini 2.0 Predictive AI. It's like having a personal assistant that's always one step ahead, streamlining your workflow and making your life infinitely easier. Now, let's talk about the user experience, because Gemini 2.0 isn't just about powerful features, it's about how those features come together seamlessly. The team has completely redesigned the interface from the ground up, focusing on a clean, intuitive layout that's both aesthetically pleasing and incredibly functional. Every interaction, every swipe, every tap feels incredibly fluid and responsive. It's like the device melts away, leaving you to focus on what matters most, getting things done. One of the most exciting aspects of Gemini 2.0 is its potential to unlock a whole new world of creativity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Gemini 2.0 has something for everyone. Imagine effortlessly editing high-definition videos, creating stunning graphics, or composing your own music, all from a single, intuitive platform. Gemini 2.0 empowers you to bring your wildest creative visions to life, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Chapter 4, Feature 4, the tech behind the magic. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how does it all work? Well, under the hood, Gemini 2.0 is powered by a combination of cutting-edge hardware and software. We're talking about a lightning-fast processor, a state-of-the-art graphics engine, and a revolutionary new operating system designed specifically to harness the power of AI. This isn't just about specs on a sheet, it's about how those specs translate into a real-world, tangible difference in performance. Chapter 5. Feature 5. Revolutionizing the way you work. Let's take a step back from the tech specs for a second and talk about how Gemini 2.0 actually impacts your everyday life. Imagine this. You're a project manager juggling multiple deadlines and a mountain of emails. With Gemini 2.0, you can effortlessly organize your tasks, collaborate with your team in real time, and even automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and mental energy to focus on the big picture. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on top of things, ensuring that you stay organized and productive. Chapter 6. Feature 6. Out with the old, in with the new. Now, for those of you familiar with the original Gemini, you're probably wondering, what's different this time around? Well, let me tell you, Gemini 2.0 is not just an upgrade. It's a complete evolution. We're talking about a faster, more powerful, and more intuitive experience across the board. The AI is smarter, the interface is sleeker, and the features are even more groundbreaking. It's like taking everything you loved about the original Gemini and cranking it up to 11. Chapter 7. Feature 7. The hype is real. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what are people actually saying about Gemini 2.0? Well, the early feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Tech reviewers are calling it a game changer, the future of technology, and the most innovative device of the year. But it's not just the experts who are impressed. Everyday users are raving about how Gemini 2.0 has simplified their lives and empowered them to do more. Chapter 8. Feature 8. The Power of Connection. Another area where Gemini 2.0 truly shines is in its ability to seamlessly connect you to the world around you. We're not just talking about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth here, although those are, of course, top-notch. We're talking about a device that integrates seamlessly with all your other devices, creating a truly connected ecosystem. Imagine controlling your smart home, managing your finances, and staying connected with loved ones, all from a single unified platform. Chapter 9. Feature 9. Security you can trust. Now, with all this talk about connectivity and data, I know security is probably on your mind. And let me tell you, Gemini 2.0 takes your privacy very seriously. With advanced encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security updates, you can rest assured that your data is always protected. It's like having a digital fortress protecting your most valuable information, giving you peace of mind in an increasingly interconnected world. Okay, we've talked a lot about the features, but I know you're probably itching to see Gemini 2.0 in action. So, let's take it for a spin and show you just how powerful and intuitive this device truly is. As you can see, Gemini 2.0 is more than just a device, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. Now let's take a step back and talk about the bigger picture for a second. Gemini 2.0 isn't just another tech release, it's a paradigm shift in the way we interact with technology. This device has the potential to revolutionize entire industries, from healthcare and education to entertainment and beyond. It's not just about making our lives easier, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating a better future for everyone. Of course, none of this would be possible without the incredible team of engineers, designers, and innovators behind Gemini 2.0. But it's not just about the in-house talent. The team has also partnered with some of the biggest names in tech to bring you a truly seamless and integrated experience. From industry-leading software developers to cutting-edge hardware manufacturers, Gemini 2.0 is a testament to the power of collaboration. One of the most exciting aspects of Gemini 2.0 is that it's not a static product, it's constantly evolving. With regular software updates, new features are constantly being added, existing features are being refined, and the overall experience is constantly being improved. It's like having a device that gets smarter and more capable over time, ensuring that you're always ahead of the curve. Chapter 14. Feature 14. The magic of machine learning. Now let's dive a little deeper into the tech behind Gemini 2.0, specifically its machine learning capabilities. This isn't just about algorithms and datasets. It's about creating a device that learns and adapts to your unique needs. The more you use Gemini 2.0, the smarter it gets, tailoring its responses and suggestions to your specific preferences. It's like having a personal assistant that knows you better than you know yourself, anticipating your needs and helping you achieve your goals. Chapter 15. Feature 15. Unlocking your potential. Imagine a world where technology empowers you to achieve your full potential, where the only limit is your imagination. That's the promise of Gemini 2.0. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, an artist, or just someone who wants to get more out of life, Gemini 2.0 provides the tools and the platform to make your dreams a reality. It's not just about what this device can do, it's about what can do with it. Chapter 16. Feature 16. The future is here. So, there you have it. 16 insane things you can do with the new Gemini 2.0. From its groundbreaking AI capabilities to its sleek and intuitive design, this device is in a league of its own. But don't just take my word for it. Go experience it for yourself. The future of technology is here, and it's waiting to be explored. So that was a deep dive into the Gemini 2.0. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. If you want to learn even more about the Gemini 2.0, check out the link in the description below. It'll take you directly to their website where you can find all the details, specs, and even pre-order yours today. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're just as excited about the future of technology as I am. Until next time, this is Farmhouse of It. Peace out.